Yeah, well, you would think growing up in Oak Park with my dad being on the fire department that would be something that I'd think about doing as a career, but to tell you the truth, it never really entered my mind to be a firefighter. When I graduated from OPRF, got a scholarship to Elmhurst College, so I went out there, graduated in '72. I got married and my parents retired down to Florida, and I kind of drifted down to Florida myself. Started working at Walt Disney World as a lark. It was spring of '73 and they had been open about a year and a half. I worked for 2 years in the Magic Kingdom in Frontierland, Liberty Square. The main attractions I worked at were the Haunted Mansion and Country Bear Jamboree.
Who wants to hear a song?
And my favorite thing out there was working on a steamship. We had a 110-foot, fully operating, fully navigable steamship called the Ports of Call. But I loved it and stayed there for 5 years. What it instilled in me was their philosophy about customer service. Obviously that applies to working now for a municipality, and the customers now are the citizen. Disney was a great place to work, but they didn't pay a whole lot. And at the time, my wife and I were getting a little homesick. We made the jump back to Oak Park. Started thinking about the fire service. Just so happened that Oak Park was giving a test. Took the test and did really well. Came out really close to the top of the list and got hired. That's when I started, 1980. I don't know about DNA, but I think maybe him modeling a career where he was helping other people, that seemed to be a motivation for me. I wanted to be in a career where I felt like I was helping people, having an impact on their lives. And the fire service is certainly an opportunity to do that.